What's going on, guys? I hope you are all doing well. I got a quick video for you today. I'm going to be swapping out a window regulator on the Dakota. So I'm going to make a quick video showing you how to pop the door panel off in case you're getting ready to do a window regulator. Maybe you're going to do a door speaker, or for whatever reason that you need to take a door panel off. This is how you do it. You're going to have 5 screws to take out. You can see there's one down right in here. There's going to be one behind here. You can just take a little flathead and pop that open. One in here. And then you're going to have 2 underneath, one here. And then there's going to be one in the other corner. So with the screws out, this is going to be the tricky part to show you guys as I'm doing it. But once I get the door panel off, I'll show you guys exactly what's going on behind it that I'm doing. So first you're just going to lift up like that and then kind of pry out a little bit. And you have the cables right here for the door release and the lock that are kind of tricky to do. So I'll show you guys that after I get them off. Once you have those off, you'll have a lot more room to be able to release the power for the door lock and the window, as well as the power for the tweeter up here. Alright, so with the door panel off, you can see right here, I'm pulling the door release, and then this one down here is the door lock. So exactly how these are sitting right now is how they sit when the door panel is pressed up against the door. The cables snap into these little holes right here and then into this clip. So if you pop this 90 degrees, that cable will snap out of the clip right here, and then you can lift it right out of the hole and pull the door panel away from the door. And that's all there is to it. I hope that was easy for you guys to understand. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment, tell me what you're pulling the door panel off for, and we'll catch you in the next video.